Artist Wales Bonner reshapes Adidas collaborations with bold artistry, moving from Samba fame to basketball heritage with her first Adidas Jabbar collection. Inspired by Kareem Abdul-Jabbar's impact as athlete, actor, and activist, the sneakers showcase LA Laker tones, suede uppers, croc-skin stripes, and a half-shell toe, while the insole nods to his legendary skyhook. Extending beyond footwear, the capsule offers track jackets, shorts, tank tops, and pants, signifying his cultural influence off the court. Earlier Jabbar editions, like the Bruce Lee tribute, already sparked excitement, adding momentum to this release. By weaving Abdul-Jabbar's legacy into design, Wales Bonner bridges sport and style while honoring activism. With the September 8, 2025 launch, the partnership reinforces Adidas' blend of heritage and modern creativity, proving collaborations can be timeless statements of culture, performance, and fashion.